Here's one of the sharpest, most dependable four-door sedans on the market. This is Jeff with Parker Wholesale Cars in Tallassee, Alabama. Check out this 2021 Toyota Camry SE. Your SE is your sporty model. A little more aggressive wheel and a really sharp rear spoiler. Around back, backup camera, SE badging on the trunk. Beautiful 18-inch alloy wheels with a great set of Continental tires. Plenty of room for your rear seat passengers. It's pre-dawn gray mica with black interior. Tinted windows, color-keyed door handles, color-keyed mirror caps. LED daytime running lights, projector beam headlights, forward collision sensor right in the middle of the grille. It's equipped with keyless entry. Bucket seats, power seat, all-weather mats, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, automatic headlights, auto dimming, high beam headlights, traction control, trunk release, fuel door release, tilt and telescopic steering wheel. In the wheel, you've got paddle shifters, trip computer functions, audio controls, Bluetooth, and intelligent radar cruise. 94,000 well cared for, local, one owner miles. Touchscreen radio, AM, FM, XM satellite, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. Backup camera, automatic climate control, USB port, 12-volt outlet, console shifter, factory owner's manual, Carfax vehicle history report. If you'd like to know more about this 2021 Toyota Camry SE, please give us a call, 334-283-6823. It's time you experience the Parker difference. Thanks for watching.